How to fix Insta360 X5 not connecting to app. So first of all, on your Insta360 X5 device, scroll down to your control panel. Then go to gear icon. From here, scroll down below and tap on Wi-Fi settings. Make sure that the toggle for Wi-Fi is turned on. Then, on your mobile device, make sure that you have turned on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth first. Then you would have to make sure if the application of Insta360 is updated to its latest version. For that, open Google Play Store or App Store, and as I'm here on Google Play Store, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it to update the application. Once you update the app, all the issues and bug errors will be fixed and you will also be getting latest features on the application. Then, on the next step, open the application. Then, just go ahead and tap on the category of Me once you are signed in to your account. Then, scroll down to your control panel and long press on Wi-Fi. Then, make sure that your Insta360 X5 device is showing. If it's showing, you can directly tap on Connect option under Device Settings of the application. Let's tap on Connect. Now, as your device will be displayed, just tap on Connect. Now, just tap on Connect on the pop-up. So now in my case, the Insta360 X5 device has been connected to the application. You can check the firmware directly from the application as well. If the device firmware is not updated, sometimes the device does not get connected to the application. So you can just go to device firmware info and make sure that the firmware is also updated to its latest version. So follow these easy steps to connect Insta360 X5 to application. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.